Good morning, students. Hope all of you fit and healthy at your home, and your study is going on very good because your annual exam is coming now, coming soon. Okay. In your SST class, first I will again give you your syllabus because some students are asking about, ma'am, what is the syllabus of SST? Okay, so everyone note down. If you are not note down this syllabus, chapter 17. This is agriculture. Here mention now I am only chapter number. Okay. Then chapter 18. Our industries. Next chapter is 25. The chapter 25 is our goals, rights and duties. Next last chapter is chapter 27. It is our national symbols. In my side, all course are completed now. All things, book exercise, question answer, each and everything is completed now. Okay. And those students who are not send me your project till Monday, you can send me your project. Okay, beta. Then in your annual examination, your paper, SST paper is maximum marks is 90 marks. Time duration, time is 90 minutes. Okay. Number of question, number of question, number of question in my subject SST is 50 and all questions are MCQS based. It means MCQS based. It means one question is given and there is the 1, 2, 3, 4 options and you have to choose now which one is correct, which is the suitable answer. Then you can click now in front of that option. Okay, then computer save their option. This step mode you give the all UT exam, UT1 half yearly, UT second is also. So I think there is no problem you have. So students, let's start today's classes. Ready with your revision copy, SST copy, your rough copy, whatever. But all things, all of you write down in your copy. Even this information is also. First you mention now in your copy here is revision work. After that all of you write now these things. This is very helpful for your exam. This is revision work. First we will do the revision work from chapter wise. Today we will do the chapter 17. Okay, chapter 17, agriculture. Agriculture. So beta, all of you open your book, page number for agriculture, chapter 17, page number 104. Page number 104. Agriculture. This chapter I am discuss with you. Farming is the main occupation of our country. Mostly 70% people are engaged in agriculture. And in our country, there are two seasonal crops, agricultural season. First is Rabi crop and first is Kharif crop, then second is Rabi crops. Kharif crop is begin arrival of the monsoon. Monsoon, it means rainy season, and this in this season the main crops are like that: rice, millets, maize, cotton, jute. Okay, and in Rabi season it begin the end of the rain. Okay, and the main crops of this season are wheat, gram, mustard, sugarcane, barley. These are the example of the Rabi crops. Okay, and all of you read about the different kinds of crops, in which state the rice is grown, and in which state the wheat is. Thoroughly all of you are read these chapters. Only 4 chapters are coming in your exam, so everyone better read properly. All chapters are read now and learn the book exercise. Okay, then after that in this chapter I am told you green revolution. What is the meaning of green revolution? Green revolution means in this revolution the production of the crops, the, the production of the crops is increasing now, is called green revolution. Okay, then and coffee and cocoa are the produced in Kerala, Karnataka and Tamil Nadu in 3 states. Jute is also called golden fiber. Cotton for cotton growing is a best soil. It is black soil. For sugarcane also. Okay, rice is a paddy crop. It's need too much water. These important points all of you revise now. Okay, and in Malabar area, Kerala and Karnataka is famous for it's famous and it is more producing for spices. Spices na, it improve the flavor of the food. Then livestock cows and bulls are called it, and bull carts are used in a village area as a transport. Cow dung cow dung is used for manure, and it is also used to producing biogas. Okay, then last point from this chapter is white revolution. White means white color. It means it is based on to increase the production of milk. Okay, then I hope all things are all important points I am discussed with you, and all of you revise now the 2 terms also. Insecticide here is confusing now students. Some students are confused insecticide and pesticide. What is the difference in 2 words? Insecticide means medicine which are used to protect plant from insecticide, from insects and their diseases. That medicine is called insecticide. When the question is asking about pesticide, it means medicine used to protect plant from pest. Okay, so we are using pesticide. To controlling the pest, pesticide. To controlling the insect, we are using insecticide. Okay, then we are this time doing some practice MCQ type questions, because your exam is MCQ type based on annual exam. So we are doing now. So beta, ready with your copy. Okay, first question is here. Take the correct option. Take the correct options. Okay, first question is, everyone write now. Wheat is A option Rabi crop. B is Kharif crop. It is Kharif crop. C is both crop. You know it very well. Wheat is Rabi crop, and it is started. This crop is starting from end of the monsoon. That's why this crop is Rabi crop. Then second is the golden fiber. Is A, jute, B, oilseed, C, cotton. Which one is right? The golden fiber is a jute. Okay, your A option will be correct. Then next is cattle waste. Cattle waste is used to produce First A is biogas, B is diesel, and D is kerosene. Which one is correct? Diesel and kerosene, these are crude oil. Your right option will here, cattle waste is used for produce biogas. A option will here correct. And cattle waste is also used for as a manure. Okay, so all of you do know these three questions. After that I am give you some extra questions. Then move to the question number 4. Question number 4 is tea, coffee, and jute are dash. A, cash crops, B, food crops, and C, both crops. You know it, tea, coffee and jute are cash crops. And cash crop, what are cash crops? Anyone tell me? What are cash crops? Anyone tell me? Tell me, students. It is this cash crops are which are sellable and can good profit to earn money. Okay. Then move to the next question. Next question is question number 5. Cotton grows well in black soil, red soil. This is B. Red soil. This is A. C is none of these. Okay. Cotton grows well in dash. Black soil, red soil, none of these. Cotton grows well in black color soil. Okay, and this type of soil is found in Maharashtra state, mostly Maharashtra. Then 6 is that's why the textile industries are set up in Maharashtra state. Okay, many industries are. Next question is Kerala and Karnataka. Kerala and Karnataka are the main producers of dash. A is spices, B is tea and coffee. Okay, then D is none of these. Okay, the last question is, look at here. This is the last question from today's classes. Kerala and Karnataka are the main producer of. Here two states are. Kerala and Karnataka are main producer of spices. Your A option will here correct. But in the question I am asking about Kerala and here is Tamil Nadu. Are the main producer of. So your answer is changed now. Then your answer is tea and coffee. Okay. All of you remember that Kerala, Karnataka and Tamil Nadu. These three states are produced in coffee and tea. For spices, Karnataka and Kerala. So there is no confusion. And for good practice, this type of, and for good marks, all of you practice now this type of MCQ based questions which are giving in your book. Okay, all of you write now first all the questions. Okay, after that you solve it in 5 to 10 minutes. There is all book exercise questions. Okay, this is helpful for you beta, and in next class we will do the revision work of next chapter, chapter 18. So read this chapter, all of you. Till then, have a nice day.